In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light hole cover on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Remove this shield. Use a 10mm socket. There's bolts on the front. Take those out. Back here, there should be 4 screws. You want to take those out using a 10mm socket. Take those out and just slide it back. There's a push pin right here. You can pop the center down. Just use a trim tool, pop that out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these screws out. Grab this panel, and just make sure that it separates. It's good right there. And do the same socket. Take all these bolts out. It's going to be holding this front spoiler on as well. Slide that off. Using a 10mm socket, take these bolts out. So just grab these shields and just slide them down out of the way. They can hang like that. Reach in underneath, and we're going to just push up on the tab. You'll see it when I pull it out. And on the other side. And pull this out. You might have to grab it and pull it with some force. There's a clip right there. Those are the 2 tabs on the bottom. You just try to push those up and it slides right out. Take the new cover, line it up. And just clip it in place. Now slide these covers in position. Line those up. Slide this in position. That lined up. And where the retainers are up there, you want to put the bolts in. Take these bolts, line these up. Get those started and then tighten those down. Slide this piece in place. Get the bolts started. Make sure you just get them all started before you tighten them down. And tighten those down. I'll line this up. Take the push pin, line that up, push that in, take the screws, get those started, and snug those down. And you can do the same on the other side. I'll slide this underneath. And take the screws, go back here. I'm going to get those started. snug those down. Put the other ones in. Ours are broken on this vehicle. And it screws up front. Get those started. There should be one there. All right, snug all those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.